Riza, and today I'll be showing you how to make a very popular Filipino dish called chicken adobo. You'll need to cut your chicken wings in half and place them in a bowl. Slice the onion, peel and chop garlic, and set them aside. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Mix all ingredients, pour them into your bowl of chicken, and add the remainder garlic and mix them thoroughly. Add chili flakes for spice and mix again. Turn the stove on medium heat. Drizzle olive oil into the pot. Saute onion and garlic until brown. Then add the chicken into the pot and stir. Then add the rest of the marinated sauce. Close the lid and simmer for 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, open the lid and stir the chicken. Make sure the sauce gets all over the chicken. Change temperature to low heat. Stir and let it simmer another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the sauce will thicken. This is the time you check your chicken and see if it's cooked. One way to find out is if you slice into the chicken and make sure there's no red around the bone area. If you need extra cooking time, you can add another 10 minutes until the chicken is fully done. After 10 minutes, stir and drizzle some sauce on top of the chicken. Your adobo should be done. Serve with rice and enjoy.